All right, working on my hubcaps, wheel covers, whatever you guys want to call these things. So I got myself a hammer, mallet, and a couple pieces of wood to pound these out, all the dents. So just need a good sturdy piece. I rounded the end of it to match the curve and hubcaps. So I just did these here. Too bad. Still a little bit of push through. Can fix that a little bit, but I don't know. I can easily buy new ones. I can get used ones online. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I figured, hey, why not? So I'm gonna polish them up, get them cleaned up. But so, for example, I've got this dent here. We're on this side there, so we'll get that popped out right now. All right, so got that one out as best I could. So you get that little bit of a dent in here. We'll work on some more. That's kind of how you do it. If you're into restoring these things, mine are pretty scratched up. I'll polish them up, see if we can get them cleaned up, see how they turn out. If not, maybe I'll just get some used ones. But anyway, I'm just trying to keep what's original. That's it.